Your dirty jobs just got done with the Sunjoe SPX 3000 electric pressure washer. Packed with 1,800 watts of pure cleaning power, SPX 3000 delivers a mighty blast, up to 2,030 pounds per square inch, to demolish every last bit of dirt, grease, gunk, and grime. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. But don't just take our word for it. See why thousands of folks like you have made SPX 3000 Amazon's #1 best-selling pressure washer year after year. Pump up to 1.76 gallons per minute to get really clean, really fast. Reach high, reach low. Sunjoe's 34-inch extension wand goes where no garden hose has gone before. Control your spray with 5 quick connect nozzles. From intense jet to gentle spray, SPX 3000 makes light work of mildew, grease, oil, tar, mud, rust, and more. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Clean smart with Sunjoe's exclusive Total Stop system that saves both pump and power when the trigger gun is not engaged. Mix it up with 2 onboard detergent tanks to give your cleaning blast a boost. Now you're ready to fight dirt. From porch to patio, siding, shutters, wooden decks, furniture, and cars, SPX 3000 cleans them all. Weighing only 31 pounds, SPX 3000 wheels easily from one dirty job to the next. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. And every Sunjoe SPX 3000 is backed by a full 2-year warranty. For the extreme power and performance you demand, go with Joe. SPX 3000 electric pressure washer by Sunjoe. Get equipped.
Get the power and performance you need to meet your most rigorous professional demands. The Simpson PS4240 pressure washer is powered by a heavy-duty Honda GX390 engine with low oil shutdown feature. The AAA Industrial Triplex pump comes with an integrated adjustable unloader, delivering 4,200 PSI at 4 GPM to handle your toughest commercial cleaning tasks. Professional-grade accessories include a 3/8-inch, 50-foot steel braid monster hose with quick connect fittings and a polyurethane outer jacket that's UV and abrasion resistant. The ergonomic spray gun comes with a 31-inch steel lance and 5 quick connect nozzles that swap easily to match any cleaning application. And it's all housed on a powder-coated welded steel frame with 13-inch premium pneumatic tires for durability and smooth transport across rough terrain. The Simpson PS4240 is backed by our premium warranty and is available now. Simpson, driven by performance.
Tough outdoor cleaning projects require the Stanley 2-in-1 electric pressure washer. The unique modular design can be used from a wall mount, cart, or standalone, so you can carry it anywhere. Blast clean dirty surfaces with up to 2,050 PSI. That's 40 times the power of a standard garden hose while using 80% less water. Clean surfaces like house siding with mildew, mold, and moss. Power clean decks and fences to look new again with 2,050 PSI power. Refresh cement, stone, and asphalt surfaces. You should choose this because it represents the quality you expect from Stanley. These are some of the best-in-class features. Spray down all your patio areas, including the patio furniture, to make everything look new again. Save money cleaning your vehicles by pressure washing them clean. Stanley electric pressure washers are performance in action. Get yours online at select retailers today.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.